So in this video, we want to learn how to create new files, how to edit files, and generally how to manipulate files. The file editor we want to use is called Nano. Nano is one of the most basic text editors in a Linux environment. There are other complicated text editors like Vim, for example, which we would handle in another tutorial, because that's what we would use for web design and web development trainings. But for now, we want to do a text file, and so we're going to use Nano. To call on Nano, we do Nano and then the name of the file that we want to create. Nano test.txt. That's the name of the file. Or let's call it testing.txt. So here we have an empty file, and so we can start writing inside of this file. This is a sample file written inside of Nano editor. Thanks. So we finished creating our file. Now we want to save the file. Beneath here you can see some shortcuts that explain to you how to a few things to do in the file. You see the Control G, get help, Control O, write out, Control W, where is, that is to find a particular string or content inside of the file, Control K to cut text, Control X to exit, Control R to read file, Control / to replace, and Control U to paste text. For now, we are interested in using Control X because we want to exit and want to save while exiting. So we use our Control file and X. So it says save modified buffer. Yes, so we'll put our Y and then file name to write testing.txt. So it's asking us, are we sure we want to save this file as testing.txt? We say yes, we are sure. So we press our enter button and it saves the file. So when you now check the content of the files folder, you see a file called testing.txt. To remove the file, you do remove testing.txt to remove the file from the system. So when you do your ls again, you have an empty folder because you just deleted the file that you created from your system. To edit a document, you also have to use the Nano, and then you type the exact name of the document you want to edit. So whether you are creating a new file or editing an existing document, it's the same format that you're going to use. So you use your Nano and then the name of the file. .txt. So you can create any kind of file with any kind of extension with Nano, any kind of text file with any extension with Nano. So that includes your HTML file, that includes your PHP, your HTML, your TXT, and a few other file formats that can be opened and edited with a text editor. So thank you very much for your time. I'll see you guys in the next video.